Hi, my name is Yoshi Sano. I am an associate professor of the Department of Human Development at Washington State University, Vancouver. I want to express my sincere gratitude to you for making the Undergraduate Research Fellows Award. I was excited to learn that two of my students, Miss Tasha Big Eagle and Miss Parminder Kaur, were selected for this award. Both Tasha and Parminder are working as a research team under my supervision. They are interested in learning strengths and then challenges of accessing healthcare among low-income families living in rural communities. I think this is an important topic to study, especially in the context of current COVID-19 pandemic. By examining the experiences of low-income families, they are hoping that they can provide recommendations for policies and programs to improve healthcare access in rural communities. The financial assistance you provided will be a great help for them. They can now purchase software programs for their analysis, produce policy briefs, which will be sent to the policymakers, and attend a conference to present their findings. So your support will make a difference in experiences of Tasha and Parminder, who eventually will give back to a community. So thank you again for your generosity and support.